left the van outskirts of the town and going walk there 1.7 kilometers.
Cold Bamberg.
Yes. Ooh.
We came to admire these beautiful frescoes here in the bridge of Bamberg. The water is flowing there pretty fast.
Every town has a tourist shop, and in Germany they have cold beer. That's a chapel of Holy Nail. They have holy nails there. And here's the camper stop. Usually in cities it costs something, and this was I think 50 euros per night. And our van is like around that fence and side of the road. And free parking. Yeah, we are not going to stay overnight here. Going to drive like 200 kilometers to north from here and somewhere to the nature, and where's nobody else. Funny dogs. Yeah, some walking to do the van, then we are there, and someone is charging their batteries. I'm not going to pay 2 euros for the electricity. Sarah loves Drücken wine, so Sarah can Drücken. Dead forest.
Yeah, the brown forest, Braunwald. We have been driving through Germany past few days, and all these pine forests are totally brown because the trees are dead. There is this tiny bug. I'm not sure if it's a maggot, but some kind of insect that will eat the whole tree from inside to out. And usually when the winter comes, the frost will protect the pine trees. But past few winters in Europe has been extremely warm, so the bugs do not die. They just continue eating the forest, and it's incredible sad to see these brown dead trees because they are everywhere as far as your eyes can go.
Weather is horrible. This looks awful. It's +3 at the moment. It's coming -3 in the night time. Yeah, then maybe we will chase the sun for a bit.
The weather calmed out a bit, and the scenery here is stunning, but it's still really cold weather. Jani took Bullet out to walk, and I started making us some dinner. So asparagus, this gyros type of thing, and potato. Then we have tomatoes, and Jani made excellent fresh dill tzatziki. Yeah, we are starving.
We found the sun and the blue skies. Yeah, just normal Stellplatz in small towns with a pretty castle or mansion behind. It's gonna be really cold next 3 nights, and we're gonna ditch the AI generated travel plan. We're gonna go to IKEA to buy some things to our van, maybe buy a new blanket, maybe, and go to Fritzberger, this caravan camper store.
Live in Erdhut.
Poof!
Hoof. Erdhoof. On the road again. We just emptied our grey water tank. went for a shower, now we continue. And it's a driving day. And weather is going to be sucky one. Now it's bright, but it will be rainy.
Oh shit.
Wrong turn. It happens. Best of us.
Yes. Road closer. I didn't remember that.
Yeah, the houses are incredible, huge here, big houses, and walls in these houses are like a fish scale. Yeah, these patches, and it looks like a fish. 90% of the traffic here in the barn is these trucks, lorries. And if you don't want to drive with the lorries, you can drive Sundays when the trucks cannot drive here. And also near the bigger cities there can be rush hours. They are called Stau in Germany. But when we are traveling with the camper van, if we stuck on a Stau, we can just pull our van away from the motorway and just brew a coffee or take a nap or something in our van and wait for a few hours and then continue traveling. So traveling with a camper van is excellent in many ways.
Now fill the LPG because we want to have almost full bottles when we go to Finland. We're gonna change to Finnish bottles, but when we leave the next trip, we have enough LPG to drive wherever we want. We don't need to actually find LPG station right away when we leave Finland. Bit over €1 per liter, which is pretty good price. We have used a much smaller price, but no can do. LPG! Coffee break in Lidl, Aldi, and bought some good pastries and boiling coffee. So driving day is looking for us like this.
Yeah, and it's great to take a pause from driving so you can go walk around and take your dog out and brew a coffee and sit down to eat and not just snack while you are driving.
Yeah. Our diets are so good.
Our diets are so horrible.
So we went to a little shopping spree in Brunsvik. It's south from Lübeck.
Yeah. And do you know what happens when we go to bigger cities? It means money spending.
Money spending down. Yeah, €20. We spent it on things in IKEA and also in a hardware store. In hardware store we didn't find anything that we needed. Only thing that we want to buy is a tratti for the water filling, which holds its place on its own on our water filling spot. That's the only thing that we need.
And the IKEA for hot dogs and ice creams. And also I did bought this anti-slip mat that I really much hate, the previous one, but this is different kind of texture, so I'm going to test if this household material works better, because our cutlery is rattling.
Yes, it's cold still, so it was nice to actually go to shopping spree today. Yeah. And now we're gonna go forward or more north for 1 hour to Elbe River Canal to spend the night. In Parkfonat there was a nice spot just beside the canal, so we're gonna be there, and it's on the eastern side so we can see sunset.
Hopefully. Yes. And hopefully no verboten signs.
Verboten.
They're usually pretty strict about the canals in Germany, but we push our luck.
Yeah. Let's go there.
Kuulkaa matkustetaan.
Ojei. Se on kuule mikä matkusta.
We are driving this narrow road and heading next to Elbe River, and suspense is killing us because we don't know.
It's not the Elbe River but the canal just beside it.
Okay.
And it's an eagle spot.
Oh, it's always a good sign. Yeah.
So it's a
nature
security
area where you can enjoy the nature. Let's continue.
Waldweg, forest road, and it cannot be driven. So we are in perfect spot for spending the night just before it's banned for driving, but not for the house owners. Yeah, gonna be there. It's not yet raining. Actually, it's quite warm in here compared to even places where we have been today. It's plus 13, I think. So at the moment it feels really warm. Picnic place, and there is the canal.
Nice jogging routes or bicycle routes or just enjoying the Elbe River route. Yeah. Beautiful, peaceful. No road. So it's super silent.